The Lumia devices and the work with Nokia would definitely be something that I'd recommend to anyone. They've opened up a lot of opportunities for us as a business in how we work across a lot of different areas that we're starting to explore. The UKDN Waterflow is effectively an infrastructure and total drainage solutions business across both sort of domestic, commercial, industrial areas. So we, in the last 12 months, have undergone a fairly extensive business plan review. We've done that as a board, and we've got a new plan going forward for the next 3 years about the markets we want to go into, how we will operate, what we need to do, how flexible we need to be. The Lumia devices fitted the bill for us for their ease of use, integration with the Windows operating system into our back office systems, and we first started using Lumia devices for our office-based staff, so these are management, sales, people in the field. But we always had a strategy to look a little bit more beyond that. In the last 12 months working with Nokia, it's how we can use these devices in what effectively is more of a field-based operations team as opposed to traditional rugged devices. The application specifically that we use with TBS allowed us to achieve our aims in a really aggressive rollout. We managed to roll out the application to 19 branches nationally and around 18 engineers in about 2.5 weeks. The device itself and the application itself from TBS work really well together with the new Lumia devices, more importantly because the camera itself and how it's used with the process from an engineer works really seamlessly. An example of that is we have a fairly simple process that an engineer would follow for small-scale reactive work jobs in doing an unblock. As part of that, photographs are uploaded live back into our case management system that we use for all of our jobs and work management package. The good thing about the camera and the quality that we get is that we effectively send progress updates of those jobs when we're closing a job down and in the middle of a job, and all those are brought back to our office in a live format. So within a few minutes, the guys in the call centre can see very clearly the layout of the ground, the photograph that exists in situ, and any paperwork that's carried out. So when we're completing reports and we turn around authorisation levels to get work signed off, if we need to do a repair, that thing can be done now so much quicker. And the process within our work management system is effectively auto-completed by the task process that's carried out on site. It's been so successful, we're looking to roll out the rest of these devices now. So all engineers will have access to a Lumia device. Longer term, as we evolve this over the next 12 to 18 months, we see the engineers' time and cost of materials coming back into our financial systems and costing, so we can evaluate how we deliver services more effectively to make us more competitive, and profitable. That's a key aspect to what we see these devices do in the longer term. And I think it's been a really good partnership.